Hey guys, how's it going? It's a Pocket back to my video. In this video we're having the Empower True Wireless Stereo wireless earbuds, which are a cheaper version of the Apple AirPods. So let's check it out. So you may find these earbuds from Amazon for around $39.99 but actually you get a lot for this amount of money. And also they come from the same company who have the top best-selling headphones or earphones, whichever you call it, on Amazon, which I made on a previous video, which you can check down in the description. So what do you get from these headphones? So most importantly, they come with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, so meaning that it's extremely easy to pair with every single device out there. 2 high-definition microphones, one on each side, allowing the caller to be able to hear you clearly. Also, if you wear them, you may answer the phone freely, so no hands involved. So that means that you can answer the phone while you drive, but please don't do that. And lastly, of course, what else you want is a high-definition mono or stereo with these earbuds. So when you open them, you're gonna see the 2 earbuds on the top with the case, and on the bottom, you're gonna see the charger with 4 ear tips, so small, medium, and large, depending on your ear size with the charger. And also you have some cheat sheets, so use a guide of how you can use them, so you can quick refreshment of how you use them. And also you have a warning note, so you know you have to only use a 5-volt adapter in order to charge them. So please avoid using something else because you may blow them up. So let's actually see the actual headphones. Okay, so let's place everything on the side and let's actually see the actual product. So this is how they look like from a closer look. This is the right side earbud, and as you can see, the shiny glossy Empower logo really looks very attractive on the top. And also the design is very slim, very nice, and it's really small. Actually, it's smaller than my thumb. Actually, it's expected size. And also they fit very well on the ear. So that's why you have different sizes of ear tips in order to be able to fit in your ear if they cannot fit with the standard one. Also, I forgot to mention is that they have 3 hours of music playback of battery life and 2 hours of talk time, and roughly 4 to 5 times of charges by using the case only. But the case only takes 2.5 hours roughly to charge, and the earbuds themselves only take 1 hour for a full charge. So that means you can enjoy roughly 15 hours of music playback and roughly 10 hours of talk time. The magnetic connection between the earbud and the case is very strong, preventing them from falling. On both sides, the Empower logo is a button, so by pressing the button for 5 seconds, then you'll be able to pair your earbuds with your device. Also, please keep in mind that you have to connect both of the earbuds in order to be able to hear and make both of the earbuds work. Also, another thing to keep in mind is that the range between the earbuds and your phone has to be at most 1 meter in order to work fluently. Lastly, if you receive a call, the only thing you have to do to pick it up, you have to just press on the button on the top, and then you'll be able to answer or even hang up the call if you press the button again. And there you have it, a much cheaper Apple AirPods version on Amazon for $39.99. So what do you think? Do you think these are worth it? Please let me know down in the comments. And also don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, share this video to your friends if you found this enjoyable, and of course, most importantly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell right next to it in order to receive notification of every video we upload. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm going to see you to my next video.